Hello everyone, this is question 6 from paper 1 2023 for Edexcel. So it says a nice logarithm question. It says express in terms of a and or b the following. We're given that log a is log to the base 2 of x and b is log to the base 2 of x add 8. And the first one is to find out an expression for log to the base 2 of root x. So I've written down log to the base 2 of root x. I've rewritten it using indices, using it instead of root x, I've written it to a power of a half. Then when we use the power law of logs, we bring the half to the front. So that gives us a half log to the base 2 of x. But the question tells us that log to the base 2 of x is a, so part a is 1/2 a. Part b, log to the base 2 of x squared plus 8x. Now the first thing that occurred to me here is to take out a factor of x. So once we've taken out a factor of x, we can then break this down using the addition law of logs then. So we now say that x times by x add 8 is going to be x plus x add 8 using the laws of logs there. Well, we know that log to the base 2 of x is a and log to the base 2 of x add 8 is b. So therefore a add b is our expression for the second one. Third one's a little bit tricky and it's worth 3 marks. So what have we got? Log to the base 2 of 8 add 64 over x. Now very often it can kind of help us to write things as a single fraction. So what I've done is decided to combine these two elements by rewriting 8 as 8x over x. So I've thought of it as 8 over 1 and times the numerator and denominator by x. And that's enabled me to combine it into a single fraction, okay, which is going to be more consistent with being able to use the laws of logs, because we want everything to either be times together or divided to use the laws of logs. So I then, further to that, I took out a factor of 8 in the numerator, giving me 8 open bracket x add 8, and it was all divided by x. So that's really, really useful now, because what I can do with that is I can break that down using the laws of logs quite nicely. So the 8 times by x add 8 becomes log to the base 2 of 8 add log to the base 2 of x add 8. And then the divided by x becomes minus log to the base 2 of x. Now log to the base 2 of 8 is log to the base 2 of 2 cubed. Using the power law again, bringing the 3 to the front. That is 3 log to the base 2 of 2. But log to the base 2 of 2 is 1. So that first term becomes 3. Coming back down to here, we have log to the base 2 of x add 8, which is b, and we have minus log to the base 2 of x, which is a. So our final expression is 3 add b minus a. And that's that third one done for 3 marks there. Okay, I hope you found that helpful, and I will see you in the next video.